Welcome to Aprendo con Daniel. Today we will make finger puppets. Let's go! We need cardboard, scissors, and color.
Step 1. Draw your puppets. Step 2. Cut the puppets. Step 3. Color your puppets.
Now let me my new friends.
Step 4. Put your fingers inside and play.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm good. And you? I'm good too. Where are you from?
I'm from Russia. My name is Ivana. I'm 7 years old. And you?
I'm from Japan. My name is Haruto. I'm 6 years old. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
It was very fun. Make your own puppet. See you next time. Bye bye.